This is an interesting problem. So the information given to us is we have a right angle triangle and the sum of two sides is 25, which is PR plus QR is 25, and one of the sides the value is 5 centimeters. So we know only one side which is equal to 5 and the sum of other two sides as 25. So just for the ease of calculation, let's consider the length of QR to be K. So in that case, PR would be K square plus 5 square, the square root of this, which is Pythagoras theorem. Now, PR plus QR is given as 25 and we have assumed QR to be K. So PR is 25 minus K. Now if we apply the Pythagoras theorem here, PR square is equal to QP square plus QR square. Now we know that PR is 25 minus K, so this will be 25 minus K the whole square is equal to QP is 5 square plus QR is K square. Now let's apply A minus B the whole square here. 25 square is 625 plus K square minus 2 times 25K, 2 minus 2AB, right? So this will be minus 50K is equal to 5 square is 25 plus K square. Now here we can cancel K square on both sides of the equation, and if we move 50K to the other side of the equation and subtract 25, this would be 600 is equal to 50K. So K would be equal to 12. So basically we found the value of QR to be equal to 12. Now if QR is 12, if we apply it to the hypotenuse, the square root here, so 144 plus 25, so we will have PR is equal to square root of 144 plus 25, which is square root of 169, which is 13. So we found the hypotenuse to be 13. Now what are the trigonometric functions we should find? Sin P is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So sin P is equal to 12 by 13. Cos P would be adjacent by hypotenuse, 5 by 13, and tan P would be sin P by cos P, that would be 12 by 5.